Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and watch age restricted videos on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is your first thing that you have to do is simply gonna go ahead access your particular YouTube app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you can find this kind of profile icon given in the below right corner, right? Go ahead, tap on it. And if you're not being able to watch some of the age restricted videos, is that because you might have entered your birth date that is underage, and that's why you're being restricted. For the matter, go ahead and tap on this account of yours. Tap on the settings icon. Go ahead, tap on this account and tap on this manage accounts option and choose a particular account, which is a Google account, so now you have seen your particular Google account, right, in which you have used to get logged in your YouTube. Afterwards, you have to go ahead access your particular Google account and go ahead tap on this manage your Google account option. Now here in this data and privacy personal info section, you're gonna tap on this birthday. You can go ahead tap on it, and now you will be able, since you might have added a younger age of yours, you're gonna go ahead change it accordingly and simply go ahead. Once you have added a new age, you will be able to get logged in with the same account during YouTube with different age, and then you will be able to access all of the age restricted contents that you couldn't see before. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.